This is the explanation video for Proportional Relationships Target 5. And in this target, we were learning how to calculate discount, tax, and tip. So we're just going to go through the level 2 and level 3 questions. So level 2, it just says round the decimal to the nearest cent. So the nearest cent is, or the nearest hundredth, would be the 6, because remember, we want money to only have 2 numbers after the decimal. So here's our first number, and then our second number is right here. So in order to round to that number, we look to the 4. The rules are, if that 4 is 0 through 4, then 6 stays the same. And if that number is 5 through 9, then you round up. So it looks like this 4 is 0 through 4, so that means that the 6 stays the same. So your rounded answer should have been $24.56. Our first level 3 was find the discount and the final amount. So it says Charlie goes to GameStop and buys a new game for $54.99. He has a coupon for 15% off. What is the discount and what is the final? So in order to find the discount, we're going to take $54.99 times 15%. And when we do that, you get this decimal. Okay. But we want, again, to round to the nearest cent. So we look behind it. 8 is in this category, so that means we round up. So your discount amount is $8.25. So to find our final amount, discount means that we subtract. So we're going to take $54.99 minus $8.25. $54.99 minus $8.25, and you get $46.79. So that's how we find discount. Our second level 3 is talking about tax. So it says the tax in New Mexico, the state sales tax rate is 5.125%. The price tag on a baby crib gives the price at $320. What is the tax and what is the final? So to find the tax, we're going to take $320 times 5.125%. So $320 times 5.125%, and you get 16.4. Okay, so there's no rounding in this. We actually need to add a 0. And then with tax means that we add. So we're going to take $320 plus our $16.40. And when we do that, we get $336.4. And again, just add a 0 at the very end. So that one wasn't too bad because we didn't have to round or anything. And then our very final one, we need to find tip. It says your restaurant bill is $72.34. If you're wanting to leave a tip of 20%, how much would you leave in tip? What would be the total price? Okay, so we're going to take $72.34 times our 20% tip, and we get this decimal. Okay, again, we want to round it to the nearest cent, so that means we're going to look at the 8. And if we look back at our rules, 8 is within this group, so that means that we're going to round up. So this is going to become $14.47. And to find our final, tip means we add it. So $72.34 plus our $14.47. And when we add, you get $86.81. So that is how you calculate discount, tax, and tip.